Hello everyone, welcome to the ReiVo show. We've had lots of requests for this new recipe, so I'm super excited to share it with you today. Today we're gonna learn how to make ice cubes. Two things we'll need today: an ice cube tray, like this, fancy shapes if you want, and drinking water. We're going straight from the tap. Alright, step one, turn on the water. Cold if you can. Cold is best. Fill up the ice cube tray. Careful not to spill. It's gonna be a little messy. I like to fill just above the line so that they're easier to pop out at the end. I'm so excited, guys. In a couple of hours, we're gonna have a fresh batch of ice cubes. You can tip off any excess water and then carefully transfer to the freezer. Oh! We're gonna pop this in for about 2 to 3 hours to chill, and then we'll come back, check on it later. See you soon. Hey guys, me again. Time to check on the ice. Oh wow, look at this. It's glistening, sparkling. It's cold. Looks like it's fully frozen, so it's time to crack the ice. Ooh, my favorite part. Awesome, look at this. Alright, I'm going to take these all out, put them in a bowl so I can make some more ice. Here we go. Ooh, it's like an ice waterfall. Wow! Oh. Look at that, guys. Got them all in the bowl. That's a record. Alright, you want to keep the ice in the freezer, otherwise it's going to melt. Other than that, have fun making ice. I feel so productive today. Thanks, guys. Catch you next time. Cheers. We're going to learn